this is the state of my apartment. I am so tired of moving, you guys. I'm so tired of this.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
Previously on At Home with Juju, after tons of apartment hunting, I actually settled on this apartment. I ended up doing an empty apartment tour for you guys. Then you and I talked about design inspo for each room.
Office / filming studio and guest space.
I can't believe I'm leaving my apartment after almost 2 years of living here, but it's time to say goodbye. So come along on this somewhat chaotic move and unpacking process.
Hey guys, so the movers are here. It's 9:30 in the morning and they've cleared out all the little things, but now they're about to come back and get all of my big items. There's their things right there. You guys, I can't believe I'm moving out of here. Like, it's looking so empty. Look how empty it looks. I've got a lot of clutter in the kitchen that I have to clean up. The bedroom is looking pretty bare. Got my bed wrapped. My closet is just so empty. So we're gonna take everything to the new apartment and start unpacking there tonight because last night was my last night in this apartment, so yeah. To take all the big furniture and this place is gonna look so empty. Tonight I have to come back and pack up everything in the kitchen, pack up everything in the bathroom, and then also like clear out the laundry room because I did not clear out the laundry room. So I still got quite a bit to do, but I've got about 3 days left on the lease. So I'm gonna come back, get all that stuff done, and then get some cleaning done, and I'll say goodbye.
So we're here and it's time to unpack. I love an empty apartment because you just get to see all the design potential. I have so many cool ideas for this bedroom and I might just switch up my style completely. Who knows? So we're bringing in the wall unit because you know I have to bring that with me for the rest of my life. They did a really good job. I used College Hunks Hall Junk. They were so cool and easy to work with. I know that it was a hard time for them here because unlike my last place, there is no elevator. What was even crazier is that they couldn't fit the sofa through the front door, so they had to literally lift it over the balcony. They had to lift this up several stories and it took 3 of them. I even had to sign a liability waiver saying that I was liable for any damage that they did. I was like, what? But I kind of had no choice. Anyways, it came out fine and all was well, but we wrapped it up for the night and I had to go back to the apartment to clean the next day.
For things like soy sauce and ketchup, I'm also going to have like this peer-free fabric, but it's one of my personal green leather. I'm going to do a booster right in the back because sometimes you just want to nap, right?
The first thing I'm going to do is get rid of the exposed brick.
This bypass window further into the service space.
Hey guys, so it's literally 3 weeks later and this is the state of my apartment. I haven't unpacked a thing. I've been living out of boxes and I'm so sick of it. I am so tired of moving, you guys. I'm so tired of this. I'm tired of this, grandpa. I'm not moving again till I get a house. Like, I swear this time, like, I'm so for real. I'm not moving again till I get a house. You guys saw the moving process, but now we're gonna do some unpacking. We've got a lot of stuff that we have to get unpacked. Like, when I tell you I haven't unpacked a thing, I legit have not unpacked a thing. Like, we're gonna just focus on the dining room because we do have a dining makeover coming up and we have a living room makeover coming up, so stay tuned for that. I think that's gonna be next weekend or so. I've got a good 2 hours to dedicate to unpacking as much as I can. So this is everything that we need to get unpacked. So, and then this is the kitchen. Like, literally there's stuff everywhere. Dishes are piled up because the dishwasher when I moved in was absolutely disgusting, so I didn't want to put my dishes in there to wash, so I've been hand washing them. I need to clear this stuff out so that I can unpack all of this stuff and put it away. Also, I need to clean out the cabinets because I can't put the dishes away in dirty cabinets. So I've got to clean out the cabinets, then put the dishes away. So let's get to it. Let's get to it.
I know you have enemies, but you have a friend in me. Redirect. 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 Redirect your energy. I know you have enemies, but you have a friend indeed. Redirect. Redirect.
It's a brand new day and we are going to continue to attempt to unpack. No, we're not going to continue. We're not going to attempt. We are going to unpack the rest of this stuff. I am so tired of living out of boxes, you guys, and today is the day where we're going to get the kitchen together and hopefully the living room as well. So we're going to get as much unpacking as we can. We've got the entire day dedicated just to unpacking. Here's an update. So there's still some boxes with books. That goes to the living room, this box. And then here's a kitchen box that I started. I have like tons of stuff. That is it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and put in your notifications. And I do have a living room makeover coming up. Some of my stuff is in place, but I cannot wait to show you guys what I do to the living room. So turn on your notifications. That'll be in a couple of videos. And yeah, I love you all. I will see you next weekend. Bye.